Hi, Tony here from Bathroom Spare Parts again. Today we're going to look at some valve terminology, just to clear up how we describe valves and how you should understand that. So first of all, we'll look at a simple on-off valve. So they're all classed as cartridges. So we've got thermostatic cartridge, we've got on-off cartridges, and we've got diverter cartridges. So this one, the first one I'm going to show you, is the on-off cartridge. So this is a pure on-off. So if you shower, you'll have a thermostat and usually a single handle. Now this single handle can turn 1, 2, 3 items on, but the simple on-off is exactly that. It just goes from on to off to on. So all it will normally control is a single outlet, either a bathtub or a shower outlet on a flexi or an overhead, but all it'll ever control is one. The next category we'll look at is the diverter cartridge. Now these can divert the water, as they obviously sound like they should, into different outlets. So you usually got a combination of outlets, an overhead, a handheld, it can fill a bath through an exofill or through a spout, so it depends. Usually, obviously, the 3 is the maximum, so you talk about 1 outlet, which is a straight on off, and then a 2 outlet and 3 outlet, which would be diverter cartridges. So you've got a couple of examples here. As you can see, the outlet ports here, and obviously there. And the last category is thermostatic cartridges. So I'll just show you a couple because it's a huge range: plastic, white plastic, black plastic, brass, and different sizes. As you can see, this is a thermostatic cartridge with the wax element in the bottom there. Does the same job, wax element in the bottom there, but vastly different. So it's so crucial when we're trying to give advice, is to either find out the manufacturer so we can find out from them the part, or sometimes we have to see the part out of the shower. If it's not a named product shower, then we would ask you to remove this and send us photos of this, and that's the only way we can then match up. And obviously we've got hundreds of these cartridges. We just need to identify the correct one for you. Now you can have a browse through our website, you can have a look. If you know the information, you've got the information, you should be able to work it out. But obviously we've got a really good tech team here. So if you're not sure, you can contact us and let us help you, especially if there's no manufacturer's markings and you're not sure of the actual model. We understand that sometimes we have to ask you to remove that cartridge so we can identify it. And that can entail, obviously, a plumber, or if you're good at DIY, you may be able to do this yourself. But obviously, please ask us first and we can give you all the professional advice before you get too involved.